Hello, today I'd like to talk about how to upload your listing to Creative Fabrica. So, number one, what you want to do, you want to log in to Creative Fabrica, and after you log in, you're going to click here, and after that, you're going to go to Dashboard. From your dashboard, you can see you have four options: add a new bundle, add new font, add new graphic, and add new embroidery. So as for me, what you want to add is a new graphic. So that's what you're going to click on. Then I'm going to come back and go through the rest. So for me, what I want to upload is a calendar that I made. So you can come here and write our product name. So office calendar 2022. And then for category, you're going to choose the category that suits best what you're selling. So, for instance, this is a digital product, but what is it? So, if it is a photo or whatever, that's what you're going to choose. But this is a printable, so this is what you're going to choose, I believe. Then you're going to enter your price. But if you want it to be a freebie, you're going to like tick this place, and then these options down here will disappear. I'm going to show you what options I'm talking about. So then you're going to say this is a calendar, this is a 2022 calendar, and then you're going to specify on the size and all. So it consists of 12 pages in PDF and PNG file format. The estimated size is 14 by 2000 pixels. The calendar is most suitable. Using your suitable. So, and then what you're going to do next is add the product tags, which is necessary. So Creative Fabrica, they prefer you have like three. So you're going to say calendar, to calendar. I don't know, you can get creative along the way and add maybe office calendar depending on what you're sending. So you're going to add the relevant uh, tags and continue. So you're going to scroll down, and as you can see for Creative Fabrica, it's not complicated. So we are going to add our images. For these images, you have to be keen on the size, because if you upload something bigger than this, it's going to refuse. And then your image size should be in the ratio 3 is to 2. For instance, 3000 pixels by 2000 pixels. So, like this, something like that. And let me show you what happens when you upload something that is not in that ratio. Let's see this. And you upload. You see? I meant to upload this actually. Oh, sorry. So you're going to upload your three images or one or two or whichever the number of images you want. And then for this is the place where you upload the zip file to be downloaded by the customer. It should be noted that this place is supposed to be a zip file. So a zip file is like a compressed type of folder where you can put your stuff, whether in JPEG or PNG or SVG. If you don't understand what a zip file is, so you're going to come and look for the respective zip file, and it's this one. Then you're going to drag all of them there. So in the meantime, as it uploads, we're going to talk about these four options over here. So it's recommended that you click on all of them, because for instance, if your product is chosen by Creative Fabrica to become the freebie of the week, you receive $20, and this one is convenient for the buyer. And also this it's good because it attracts more traffic to your shop. And also this, and then when you're done, you also click this. So as you wait for the product to finish downloading, you're going to duplicate and go back to the dashboard. So we are done with add new graphic. This is for the normal digital products, icons, clip arts, illustrations, backgrounds, printable templates, all that. This is where you go. For those people who specialize in fonts, for Creative Fabrica, you're going to come here, and then as it loads, you're going to duplicate again, and then wait a second as it loads. Think there's something wrong with my internet or something. Yeah, so for fonts, what you're going to do is like you're going to add your font name, then choose your category depending on the font you are going to like sell. Then the same with the graphic, you're going to price, description, tags. After that, you're going to add the images, the font files, and maybe the bonus files. Then, as I said earlier, you're going to tick on the, it's advisable you tick all of them, but you tick whatever you find is convenient for you. Then tick this and submit. I don't have any font files to use to explain this, so I hope you understood what I said with the graphic tutorial. And then, so you're done with fonts. So if you specialize in embroidery, let me show you. You think there's a problem with my internet? So because if it's a zip file, it's not supposed to refuse. Anyway, in the meantime, let's talk about embroidery. So if you sell embroideries, you're going to add your product name, your category, depending on what you are selling, the same price, description, tags, your product image, your embroidery files, and this. So after you're done, you're going to tick whichever works for you. And then for this, it's kind of different. You're supposed to maybe tell Creative Fabrica whether your design is auto digitized by a computer program or by an embroidery designer. Then you tick and submit. So we are left with one. So we are done with embroidery, graphics, and new fonts. So we are going to go to a new bundle. For this, you're supposed to have made like a thumbnail for your whole bundle of what you want to include. So number one, you can include all products in your store to the bundle, or you can make a selection of whatever you want. After you make a selection, and it's like supposed to be at least 20 products. So it's if it you have just six products or something, it's not going to work. Let me and randomly add some products. Most of the things here on my shop are free so that I like have more traffic and all. So you're going to go to the next page, and then you're going to choose your bundle name, your earliest date and end date. So you can choose this. So for instance, let's say you want to like bring more traffic to your shop. You can like include all the things in your shop and then choose the date or choose no end date. Choose the date which you want the bundle to expire. And then again, you're supposed to drag the preview image, maybe also this, and then you tick this and submit the bundle. And don't forget your description. Yeah, it's that simple. So let's go back to our product. It's done. I think there was a problem with the internet. That's why it did not like finish uploading the first trial. So I think everything is okay. So if you are selling your product, don't click this because if you click this, it means your product is a freebie. So when you're done with that, you come here for whatever if it's a embroidery font or a bundle. At the end of the day, you submit. So there is one last thing I'd like to add. Um, Creative Fabrica reviews their products first. If you are used to uploading a lot of stuff, so if you upload often, your product will be reviewed uh, with more priority. But when you're new, it like can take a day or two. But if you're like you upload often, it doesn't even take 10 minutes, or sometimes it just takes seconds. Still, it is still in progress. So after some time, your product is going to appear on your dashboard, and you're done. And there's no fee. There's nothing you're supposed to pay in short, and your listing does not expire unless you manually delete it. Well, thank you for listening. Have a nice time.